Okay, so let's take a look at one of the trackers specific to real estate. So here we will create one rental payment tracker in Notion. So let's add one page, add table as database, and let's create new data source. So here I will add rental payment tracker. Now let's start with our tenant name. So I will replace this with tenant name, right? Hit enter. Next thing would be to delete the property. Now here I will add the amount in numbers. Can also say rent amount, right? And then we will also choose payment method as some sort of a list. So we will choose select option, payment method. Let's see, online, cash, check, others. So these options along with status of payments, which is again, let's say, paid, unpaid, postponed, other, right? So these are status. Then you have like date also, right? On which date was paid, and finally a text box saying notes, right? So tenant name, let's see, Jane Doe. Rent amount, let's say 1500. Payment method, let's say she paid online. Then status paid. Then date was 5th of February. Rent for 1 BHK apartment. Then another person, see, he has like 2200. He paid through check. Then his status is currently unpaid because we haven't cashed it yet. So it was 6th, and the rent for 2 BHK. Like this I can note down all the tenants, their respective payment amount, payment method, status, date, and notes, right? So this is the rental payment tracker that you can create in Notion. You can also add additional combinations based on the data you wish to keep track of.